Hey everyone, and a massive welcome to Firebase Unlocked, Mastering Security Rules and Cloud Functions. I'm Raphael and I'm thrilled to be your guide throughout this journey. So first, let's talk about what we will learn. So we will learn how to write Firebase security rules to protect your fast data, ensuring only authorized users can access and modify your information. We'll cover cloud functions for Firebase, learn how to write server-side JavaScript code that responds to your events in Fast project. We'll demonstrate how Firebase security rules and cloud functions work together to create a powerful security automation layer for your apps. Specifically, we'll use custom claims to implement efficient and highly secure role-based access control. So next question is going to be, who should take this course? So this is going to be for Flutter developers who wants to move beyond basics Firebase usage and truly secure their backend. Developers who have touched security rules or cloud functions but want to go deeper or more practically understanding. Anyone who needs to implement sophisticated role-based access control in their applications. If you are looking to automate backend tasks, reduce client-side logic, and build more dynamic, feature-rich apps, this course is for you. We also, as a prerequisite, some basic familiarity with Flutter and Firebase like Auth and Firebase Basic will be helpful. But I'll guide you through this setup. The main prerequisite is a desire to learn how to build awesome apps. Now, why backend is critical? So, unauthorized access can expose user data, leading to identity theft, financial loss, and damage to your reputation. Malicious action or mistake can alter or delete data, making your app unreliable or unusable. Improper access control can let users access restricted features or data, violating privacy and app integrity. Failing to meet data protection, reputation can fault in legal penalties and fines. So, client-side checks alone are not secure, as attackers can easily bypass them. Real security must be enforced on server-side using security rules to protect your database. So with this, let's have a quick look of our startup application, the application that we will use to learn all of these cloud function features and fast security rules. So this is our application called Team Up Productivity Suite. So we are going to implement all of the features that we've just talked about, the security rules and cloud function, to this application. Right now it's just an open application. If you just click login here, it's going to take us to the inside the application. So at the moment we can read all the data. It's like task management. Just like the application says, you can create tasks, you can assign tasks to users, and then the users can track their progress, and then they can report to their managers and stuff, all of that. Okay, we will learn all about it as we move on. Okay, so now you can access everything in the application. You can see all of this. You can see your task. You can also check the inventory. You can add inventory items. You can go to projects. You can also create project. Okay, so all of these, if you go to home screen and then you navigate to profile, you can see that we can edit profile. We can also manage users and then manage user roles. Okay, so all of these we will work with this application to implement all the security features so that you can see how we can control access in big applications or in a production application. This is what we will work with, guys, and I hope you are going to be with me in this course because it's a nice backend code. This starter app of the application is going to be in my GitHub repository. Okay, I'll give you the link to that, and then you can download the startup application, and then from there we are going to get started from scratch, first by connecting the application to Firestore, and then start implementation of all the things we have just talked about. Thank you guys, and then let's get started in the next one.